Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating prerequisites. Ensure a GPU with sufficient RAM, Python 3, 10, and core libraries are installed. Next, pick a compact base model so you can iterate quickly, because smaller checkpoints train faster and avoid long waits. Once those are ready, set up a reproducible environment, Virtual Llm or Conda, and clone a lightweight training repo. Make sure to download the tokenizer and model weights locally. This saves time and prevents repeated downloads during experiments. You now prepare your dataset. Clean and format as JSONL, then split into a 90/10 train/validation set so you can detect overfitting. Once done, apply parameter-efficient techniques like low array or Q-low array to fine-tune the model. This lowers memory needs and speeds training. While training, track loss and perplexity, and watch GPU utilization to adjust batch size. Save checkpoints regularly and validate after each major change, because iterative testing lets you finish by exporting and quantizing the tuned model to 4-bit or 8-bit for efficient inference, since quantization reduces memory and latency. Next, deploy with a lightweight server like Fast API or Triton, enable batching and response caching, and add health checks. If something goes wrong, test with smaller inputs first, revert to the last known good checkpoint, and inspect gradients or loss curves to pinpoint divergence. Keep a single troubleshooting tip in mind. Reproduce the failure on CPU or a minimal setup to isolate environment issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.